In this guide, we will show you how to move apps on a Homatics device, mainly in the Home menu. We find the app we want to move, for example, Sweet TV. On the remote control, press and hold the OK button between the arrows. A small menu will open. Choose Move and then move the app to any place you want in the menu. If the app is in the extended menu, where new apps from Google Play are also saved, open this menu by selecting the plus at the end of the Home menu. Find the app there, for example Sweet TV, and press and hold the OK button again. The app will move automatically to the Home menu, and you can move it there the same way as before. You can also move apps in the Apps section in the top bar next to Store. Select the app, press and hold OK, and then use the arrows to move it anywhere you want. This way, you can set your Home menu and app list exactly how you like it.